Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Remember, on this channel I always review my trade setup and my trade pairs. So on this series of my trading in 2025, I would like to show you, this is the day 2, and here's the setup I have for today. Already we are in profits, although market is still making a little tracement against us, but regardless, I will show you my trade breakdown, and that's just the same strategy I backtested on the previous video that you just watched. Right here on my charts on XAUSD, you see that here is that day low that I do talk of every single now and then, and here is a divergence, here is a divergence, and this divergence is what we call a kind of a bearish, like a reversal pattern divergence. So I should have taken this trade here, but I was not active on the chart here, so I got to take the trade from my day high targeting here or here. So here's TP1, here's TP2. Let's see how this trade plays out, and I'll be recording the documentary of this video. Although right now I would like to adjust my stop loss just a little to make sure I'm risking just exact 1%. I'm risking 1.3, 1.4% on this account. So let me show you my MT5 so you can see what we have here. So right now here is my trade, and I trade only XAUSD, so you can see that right here, and this is it, running a little profit. So I would like to adjust to my SA just a little to make sure I'm risking exactly what I should be risking. So I like to keep my SS somewhere around here. So let's see how it plays out. I'll just copy it and paste for the second account. So with this, I'm now risking exactly 50% of my account right now. So this should reverse against me. I won't lose more than that. So this is 36.3, and the second one is 17. So 36 plus 17 is almost 50 something. So that means I'm exactly risking 1% on my account. So right now we are almost close to 1:1 risk reward on this trade, and you can see. So let's check my second account and do the same thing. So I will likely do the same thing. Although for this second account I'm risking a similar distance, so I will bring it over to this area at least to make the trade less risky. So anything that happens, I think I won't be risking much on this account, and that's it. So I will hold this trade. I'm likely going to come back around 9 to see how this trade is going. So currently you see I'm just risking $32, targeting 131. So if this trade can push up to this area, I'll likely pass phase 1 of this account. So let's see how the trade plays out. Right now I'm already almost 6.5% up with this trade already running. Let's see how the trade goes. Okay, so back to the trade we took previously. Price pushed up all the way close to our TP1, and it's back to our entry, and it's 9 o'clock. So let's see if this longer session can push price up. If not, to take our SL and we are off the trade. So right now I don't even know what to say again, but let's just watch out and see what happens with this trade. So even 15 minutes time frame, not looking too good though, but let's see how it goes. Alright, at this point in time, I've already set my risk, and I already know what I'm willing to risk on this account or lose on this account. So watching the trade play out, no emotions attached to the trade, risk calculated, drawdown calculated. So either SL or TP, but at this point in time, market has already taken the SL, and I must confess, it pay me, but it's calculated. So go for the next trade, and that's just trading. Both on this account and the other account, I didn't secure any profit on any of these two setups. And after then, market then has to come back and tap into a liquidity before pushing up to that GTP. So maybe wait for the next video where I will explain. So guys, this is the update on the trade we just took in the morning, and this is exactly 9:48. So as at 9:48, our trade has already hit in SL. So that's it. My own is whether TP or SL, I will still chop away. So I don't trade with everything I have, but regardless, nobody is happy when a trade doesn't play out in his favor. I saw this trade running around, I think that should be 50 at 60 something dollars. So but that wasn't even up to half of what I was targeting. So although it was over 1:1 risk reward, but you guys still hold and see what potential the trade has for us. You go for the next trade, and that's it. That's trading. TPSL, that's trading. I know some will be like, you normally use break even, but then why today? Why didn't you use break even? So I do use break even if I do see candlestick going like strong candlestick and not me seeing consolidation. So once I start seeing consolidations, I have two options: either to close off the profits or just to at least allow it to play and know if I can see a strong bullish or bearish candle. Then I can break even. If I had broken even, no problem, good and fine. If like just know that at this moment I just feel like I just need to walk out of my train station and take a rest. Just clear off the mind and come back next day for the next trade. Today is Tuesday, I think 8th January. I don't know when you are going to see this video, but that's just trading for 2025. Tomorrow we go again, so that's it. So here is my chart and just show you. And this is just what market is doing today. Not buying nor selling, but my trade has already hitting my SL. So this was the far. I was targeting 70 pips. So market made highest of 30 pips. That was it. And I met this trade around there, which was 20 something pips. Okay, though it's over 1:1 though, but at least you guys allow the trade to see the potential. And there is my account. Right now, I don't have to trade again for today. You can see that. You can see my stats. Then the account is already 3% down. This is my proper account, my 5K account. I'm already 3% down. You can see that. Okay, I also do share trades like this on my Telegram channel, just in case if you feel like you want to follow up trades like this, and that's it.